Hi students, welcome to eGanit Gyan. Today I am going to discuss about exercise 2.3 from class 8 mathematics. In our previous classes I discussed about introduction to linear equations along with exercise 2.1 and 2. If you want the video, go to description box and check out for the video. Let us continue. The topic: solving equations having the variable on both sides. Okay, if you are having 2x plus 3 which is equals to 5, only one side we are having the variable, then we can separate the variable, we can isolate the variable, then we will find out the value of x. If suppose you are having like this, 2x plus 1 is equals to 3x plus some 5, then how we can solve those particular questions we are going to discuss in this particular lecture. So students, listen carefully and try to understand the solutions. We have exercise 2.3 here. Question number 1. What is question number 1? Says us 3x is equals to 2x plus 18. Both side, both left hand side and right hand side, we are having the variable x. So what I'll do, I'll separate here constants and variables, like terms separately. So here 2x, I'll send this left hand side. 3x minus 2x is equals to 18, so that I'll get here x is equals to 18. In such a way we can find out the solution of the variable. Let us take question number 2. 5t minus 3 is equals to 3t minus 5. Okay, these two are like terms, these two are constant terms. Send the t terms to the left hand side. 5t minus 3t is equals to, this minus 5 as it is I will copy, send this minus 3 to the right hand side, I will get plus 3. 5t minus 3t is 2t which is equals to minus 2, then t is equals to minus 2 divided by 2, so the value of t is minus 1. Okay, like that we can find out the value of t. Coming to question number 3, we have question 3 like this: 5x plus 9 which is equals to 5 plus 3x. Okay, send the variable terms to the left hand side. 5x minus 3x which is equals to 5 minus 9, so that I'll get here 2x which is equals to minus 4, then x is equals to minus 4 divided by 2, the value of x is minus 2. Okay, then let me take question number 4 here. Question 4 says us, question 4, 4z plus 3 which is equals to 6 plus 2z. If I simplify by sending the variable terms to the left hand side and the constant terms to the right hand side, I will get here 4z minus 2z which is equals to 6 minus 3. 4z minus 2z is 2z which is equals to 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, from this I can find out the value of z very easily. Value of z is equals to 3 divided by 2. Question number 5. If we see question number 5, what is question 5? The question 5, 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 equals to 14 minus x. If I send the variable terms to the left hand side, I will get 2x plus x. Why? Because this side it is minus x. If it comes to the left hand side, it will become plus. That is equals to 14. If I send this minus 1 to the right hand side, I will get plus 1. 2x plus x is equals to 3x, that is equals to 15. So the value of x is equals to 15 divided by 3. X is equals to 3, 5 is 15. So that is how we can find out the value of x. And we have question number 6 here. Once very easy question. 8x plus 4 which is equals to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. We wanted to solve that one. Let us simplify. We have here 8x plus 4 if I send this 3 inside the bracket, and if I remove the brackets here, I'll get 3 into x is 3x, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 7. I will transpose all variable terms to the left hand side, then I'll get 8x minus 3x, which is equals to minus 3 plus 7, I'll get plus 4. If I send this minus 4 to the right hand side, I'll get, sorry, this plus 4 to the right hand side, I'll get minus 4. 8x minus 3x is 5x, which is equals to 4 minus 4, 0. X is equals to 0 finally. That's how we'll find out the value. Let us take some more examples here. We have example question number 7 here. X is equals to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. Then how I can solve this? Send this 5 to that side, I'll get 5x is equals to, send this one inside, 4 into x is 4x, 4 into 10 is 40. Then by transposing this 4x to the left hand side, we will get 5x minus 4x, which is equals to 40. 5x minus 4x is x, that is equals to 40, and that is the solution for that. Let us take question number 8 here. 2x by 3 plus 1, that is equals to 7x by 15 plus 3. Send all variable terms to the left hand side. 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15. Why? Because if you transpose this thing to the left hand side, it will get minus symbol, that is equals to 3 minus 1. This plus 1, if it goes another side, we will get minus. By taking LCM, we will get 10x minus 7x divided by 15. To make the denominators equal, we need to multiply this one with the 5 by 5. 5 to is 10, x as it is will come, 7x as it is will come, divided by 15, that is equals to 2. 10x minus 7x is 3x divided by 15, which is equals to 2. 3 ones, 3 5s. Then x by 5, which is equals to 2. From this we can find out the solution. And second, so that I'll get finally x is equals to, send this 5 to that side, 2 into 5, x is equals to 10. Like that we will find out the solution. Okay, let me take question number 9 here. Question number 9 says us that 2y plus 5 by 3, which is equals to 26 by 3 minus y. Send all variable terms to the left hand side, then I'll get 2y plus y, which is equals to 26 by 3 minus 5 by 3. So I'll get here 2y plus y is 3y, which is equals to 26 minus 5 is 21 divided by 3. Okay, 3 ones, 3 sevens I can cancel. 3y is equals to 7, then the value of y is 7 divided by 3. Okay, and we have this last particular question, 3m is equals to 5m minus 8 by 5. I will solve this one here. Question number 10, let me take question number 10 here. 3m is equals to 5m minus 8 by 5. So I can get this one like this, 5m minus 3m is equals to 8 by 5. 2m is equals to 8 by 5. Sorry, it is m. m is equals to 8 by 5 into 2. 2 ones, 2 fours. The value of m is 4 divided by 5. Okay, such a way we will find out the solution for this. Now we have exercise 2.3 word problem questions. Word problem questions, exercise 2.3. Okay. Now let us take first question here. Amina thinks of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. Then the new result obtained is 3 times the number she thought of. What is the number? That number we don't know. So I will assume first of all that particular number. Solution. I will assume the number here like this. Let the number what is Amina thinking? Amina is thinking, suppose the number as x. According to this particular question, what I can take, Amina thinks of a number 5 by 2 and subtract 5 by 2 from it. She is thinking x and she is subtracting 5 by 2 from that. What she is doing again? She multiplies the result by 8. Then she is multiplying the result with 8. The result now obtained is, whatever the result she is getting, that is equals to 3 times the same number she thought of. Whatever she was thinking at the beginning, to that number it is 3 times exactly, like that she is saying. According to question, I can write like this. If I simplify this, I will get the answer. Okay. Then send this inside by using distributive properties. We will get 8x minus 5 by 2 into 8, which is equals to 3x. 2 1s, 2 4s. We can cancel. 8x minus 4 5 is 20, which is equals to 3x. By simplifying this x, by sending this, transposing this 3x to the left hand side, I will get 8x minus 3x. Send this 20 to the right hand side, I will get here plus 20. 8x minus 3x is 5x, which is equals to 20. Then x is equals to 20 divided by 5, which is 5 1s, 5 4s. So the value of x is 4. What is the number that Amina thinking of? Okay, like that we can find out the unknown number. Let me take question number 2 here. The question 2 says to me, positive number is 5 times the another number. Positive number is 5 times the another number. If 21 is added to both the new number, a positive number is 5 times the another number. If 21 is added to the both numbers, then one new number becomes twice the another number. What are the numbers? That numbers we don't know. Okay. So a positive number is 5 times the another number. What I will do here? Solution. Let the other number, I am assuming the other number as x. Then the positive number, this is plus v, means positive number. I can take like this. What is the positive number? I can take here 5x. Why? Because 5 times the another number, no? Another number is x, then the next number is 5x. If 21 is added to the both numbers, one of the new number becomes twice the another number. Okay. If you add 21 to the both numbers, after adding 21 to the numbers, that is, I can say here those numbers as x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. Now I can find out the solution very easily. See, by this question, according to the question, what I can write? The bigger number 5x plus 21 is equals to new number becomes twice the another new number, 2 times of the another new number, x plus 21. If I simplify this, 5x plus 21 is equals to 2x plus 42. Simplifying, send the variable terms to the left hand side. 5x minus 2x is equals to 42 minus, send the constant terms to the right hand side, 21. So that 3x is equals to 21. We got the value of x here like this. 3x is equals to 21, then x is equals to 21 divided by 3, which is 7. Okay, we got one number 7. The other one, what is the other number? 5x, no? Which is 5 into 7, 35. Like that we can find out the solution. Okay. Okay, let us take question number 3. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? Okay, I will take a 2-digit number like this. Let the two digit number be x minus x plus 9, sum of the digits, no, x minus 9, 9 minus x, like this I will take. It is a two digit number, this is in ones place, this is in tens place. Like if you take a two digit number 36, 6 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, like that I took. Now what they are saying, sum of the digits of these numbers is 9. If you add these two digits, you will get 9 or not, you just check once. X plus 9 minus x, x minus x will become 0, then we will get 9. Okay, so our assumption is correct only. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting number, okay, you see, we will expand this number like this. If we expand the number, we will get 10x plus 9 minus x. Okay, how we can expand? Suppose you are having 36, we can expand this one like 10 into 3 plus 1 into 6. We will get 30 plus 6, no, like that. I wrote into 1, we no need to write here. 10x minus x is 9x plus 9 will come here. After interchanging the digits, after interchanging the digits, what I can take here, the new number. If I interchange, if I shift the digits, I will get 9 minus x in tens place and x in ones place. So that if I expand this number, this is in ones place, this is in tens place. Okay, so 9 minus x into 10 plus x into 1. 1 into x is 1 only, so that we no need to mention. I will get here 90 minus 10x plus x. Finally, I will get 90 minus 9x. Now, what they are saying after interchanging, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. The resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. So, what I can write here according to question, the new number 90 minus 9x, which is equals to or minus, one second, minus original number is 9x plus 9. The difference of those two numbers is 27, like that they are saying. Okay, now if I simplify this, 90 minus 9x, send the minus inside, minus 9x minus 9, which is equals to 27. Okay, then I will continue this thing further. 90 minus 9 is 81, minus 9 plus 9, 18x, which is equals to 27. Okay, let us simplify that one further. Okay, then separating the variables and constants, 81 minus 27 is equals to 18x. Send this 18 to the right hand side and this 21 to the left hand side. Then I will get here 11 minus 7 is 4, 7 minus 2 is 5, 54, which is equals to 18x. From this I can get the value of x as 54 divided by 18, 18 ones, 18 threes. So the value of x is 3. Now I can find out, therefore the number, I assumed the number at the beginning like this, x and 9 minus x. I got x value as 3, so that I will get the number 3, 9 minus x, 9 minus 3, which is 6. So the number is 36. Oh, we took the same answer, I think. So the two digit number is 36. If you interchange the digits, you will get 63. 63 minus 36 is 27. Like that we can find out the solution. Take a look and we will move to the next question. Question number 4. one of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the another digit. Let us take a two-digit number. Let solution. Let the two-digit number. Let the two-digit number. I am taking the two-digit number like this. X and 3x. Okay. X and 3x. Why I took like this only? This is in ones place. This is in tens place. Okay. One digit is 3 times the another number. They gave a first statement like that. That is why I took like this. If you interchange the digits, okay, first of all let us expand this one. We will get 10x plus 3x, so that finally we will get 13x after interchanging the digits. After interchanging the digits. After interchanging, we will get like this 3x and x. Then if we expand that, we will get 30x plus x, which is 31x. Now what they are saying, if you interchange the digits of the two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you will get 88. So what I can write, according to question, if I add these two numbers, I need to get 88. According to question, I can write here 13x plus 31x, which is equals to 88. Okay, if I add this, I'll get 44x is equals to 88. From this I can simplify the solution very easily. X is equals to 88 divided by 44. 44 ones, 44 twos, and the value of x is 2. We got only value of x, but we need to find out the particular number. Okay, what is the number we assumed at the beginning? Two-digit number, this one, x 3x. So we can write, therefore the number, what is the number? X 3x, x value is 2, so 3x is 3 into 2, which is 6. So what is the number? 26 is the particular number which we want. Just have a look and we can continue with the question number 5. Okay, let us take question number 5. There is a character called Shobos. Shobos' mother's present age is 6 times Shobos' present age. Okay, we don't know the ages of the two people here. I will assume here, let the ages, the present ages of Shobo be x. What they are saying, Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times of Shobo's present age. We don't know Shobo's present age, that's what I assumed the Shobo's age. Then his mother's age, what is his mother's age? 6 times to the Shobo's age, no? So we will get here 6x. These are the present ages of Shobos and Shobo's mother. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. Okay, so what I can write here according to question, Shobo's age 5 years from now, his present age is x. After 5 years, x plus 5, which is equals to 1/3 of his mother's present age. Mother's present age is 6x, so 1/3 of 6x we can take like this. Then if we simplify, 3 ones, 3 twos, x plus 5 is equals to 2x. Then by simplifying this, 2x minus x is equals to 5. 2x minus x is equals to 5. So what we assumed at the beginning, Shobo's present age as x. So the present ages, what are the present ages? Shobo's present age is 5 years. Mother's age, what is mother's age? 6x, no? 6 5s, 30 years. Like that we will find out the solution. Just have a look and we will continue with question number 6. What is question number 6 says is, there is a narrow rectangular plot. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Maholi village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate of 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat to fence that particular plot 75,000. What are the dimensions of the plot? We don't know the dimensions of the plot, but they gave the ratio of the dimensions like 11:4. 11 is nothing but if you multiply with x, 11x, we will get the length and the breadth as 4x. Okay, so let the breadth and length be 4x and 11x. Now you see, if you know the length of the boundary, with 100 if we multiply, we will get the total money. Okay, what is the length of this particular boundary? How we will get? By using perimeter of rectangle. Here we know what we know here. Here we know what we know here. Perimeter of rectangle into 100 into 100 rupees, we need to get 75,000. Okay, we need to get 75,000. That is the condition. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. That is our formula. Into 100 rupees, which is equals to 75300. Then we will get what is length 11x, breadth is 4x. 2 into 11x plus 4x, which is equals to 75,000 divided by 100. If you send this 100 to the right hand side, then these two things will be cancelled. Let us simplify further. So what we will get here finally? 2 into 15x. 2 into 15x is equals to 750. 2 into 15x is 30x is equals to 750. So I can say here x is equals to 750 divided by 30. We can cancel the zeros. 3 ones, 3 25s. So the value of x is 25. Yet we need to find out one thing. What is that one thing? We need to find out the dimensions of the rectangular plot. Okay. Therefore I can write here, therefore length is 11x, which is 11 into 25. 11 into 25. So I will get 11 into 25, 25, 25, 5, 7. So I will get here 275 meters. This is the length of this particular plot. Then breadth